Hey guys, what's going on? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the OnStream app on your phone so you can actually go ahead and watch movies and shows for free. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how to get it. So as you can see guys, right here, I do have the OnStream app. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to this website, guys, tweakmod.com. Okay, so this is a modded website. It's got a ton of different mods. Very cool site. Actually, no, it's HexMod. Sorry about that. But anyway, just come over to this site. But I would recommend checking out TweakMod as well. But anyway, now we're going to go to the search bar and type in OnStream. And as you can see, guys, there it is down at the bottom. So go ahead and press on it. Press the download button. And before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. And that will install the OnStream onto your device. So let's just wait for it to load. And as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So you do have to do 2 of these apps. They don't have to be the same ones as me, but make sure you do 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. Lucky Match says reach level 11. Underdog Fantasy, down run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So that's how to get the OnStream app on your phone. No jailbreak. So just make sure you guys try it out. There is the video you can watch right here. So super cool. I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get OnStream for your device. So it's super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.